We may rely on our personal portable devices, but the moment they need charging, they're no longer so portable, are they? Imagine if you could charge your phone in under 9 minutes, your watch in less than 3, or even your electric car in 7. This is finally possible with graphene technology. Introducing the Apollo Ultra, the fastest charging graphene power bank ever. Charge your power bank for 7 minutes and get enough charge for your phone. Get fully charged power bank in just 27 minutes with 100-watt charging. 5 times faster than every other power bank out there, thanks to our proprietary real graphene battery technology. Its 10,000 mAh capacity is enough to charge your phone 3 times. And with its 87-watt output, it can even charge your laptop. Apollo Ultra is pocket-sized and built to fly, is absolutely airline safe. With pass-through technology, it can charge devices while it charges simultaneously. The latest graphene technology is not only responsible for the fastest charging times ever, it also makes Apollo Ultra more durable, with a minimum of 2,500 life cycles. That's over 5 years of everyday use. Apollo Ultra has also passed some of the strictest safety testing processes, so you can have peace of mind knowing our products are safe and certified. And at just $65, it's a steal. Back it on Indiegogo now.